Jungboy. Mokotun.
Okay.
Special fashion show. Akan topik ng Mitsu. Siya Kiao Kiao. Le. Nuatun. Guu Monica le. Ganu Mercinu.
Wow.
Guu Monica le. Ganu Mercinu.
Ready, one by one, nang ma. Jungboy. Wait, should I go down this way first? Wait, we'll go down by the row. Okay. Ganun mo, te.
Wait. Nu fa alaya on hanse.
What up? Who should go first? Siakyo?
Sekyo.
Okay, Siakyo. Okay.
Siya Kiao and Deepak.
Oh, fine, top song. Siakyo.
Let's go.
Jungboy.
Sekyo. Let's go.
Yo. Come on. Ganu Martino? Hey. Music. Anh Thiêm Ninh here.
Good big house.
Hold on, Thiêm Big the rock. What? Okay, I'm Halia Raul.
Come up.
Ray?
Our contestants, please come up.
Okay.
So, hold on. Attempt something there. Top two.
I'm good can show them it's an owl, okay? Ready? Jungboy. Ganu Mote. Yeah. Ganu Marcino. Siakyo. I think in top two too. Jungboy. Let's Siakyo. Round 2. Anong tuwa ta
Last round.
Okay. Ganing lom tok nang tukosang. Thank you. Okay, can talk tan la. Okay.
Now we pick the winners. Hold on.
Jungboy or Siakyo?
Okay.
Okay, honeyda Jungboy 때. Siakyo ta. Oh, Siakyo! High five. Okay. Gani lom tok.
Good fashion show contestants out in the lumtuk.
Okay. Next game. The cup game. Chintoy. Are we done? What's next? Chintoy. What's next?